Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. We're working on the famous Jayco Greyhawk. Last time we did a video on this water heater, it got, I want to say like 60,000 views so far. It's one of my customers' motorhomes. We work on it twice a year, unless there's something else wrong with it. But let's go over where we're going to bypass the water heater on this RV. As you can see in the back here, it's got two bypass valves, one on the cold side, one on the hot side. So you see this loop here, this is to bypass it through the system. So if I turn this valve down or up, I think it's up on this one, up, okay, and then up, and the other one here, up, okay. So now the water, instead of going in the water heater, like on the side there, it's gonna actually just loop around, okay? Because we're gonna fill it up with antifreeze because we're winterizing it. But the little check valve inside here closes on the back side and opens up to go straight through. So when you turn it, but to dewinterize it, you would do the opposite. You would just turn it back the other way. So, and on this one, this RV is built pretty well, so it's very easy to access it and winterize the water heater by bypassing it from the system. So that way we just drain the water heater and then we'll be able to fill up antifreeze in all of the water lines and not have to put 10 gallons of antifreeze inside the water heater. And if there's no water inside the water heater, it can't expand and crack the tank. So I hope this helps somebody trying to better understand what they're looking at when they're bypassing their water heater, especially if you have a Jayco that's this model. Until the next video, be sure to subscribe and we'll see you in the next one. Safe travels.